How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the outer door handle from a 1979 to 1993 Fox Body Mustang. Today we're going to be wrenching on Project Blue Collar, and the parts we're working with require the removal of the outer door handle. Since several of you will need to remove the outer door handle at some point in the car's life, we figured this would be a good video to put together. I'll be starting with the door panel and its associated components removed from the car, so if you would like to see how to remove those parts, check out the link in the video description. I'm also going to provide a list of tools that I used, and that'll be available in the description as well. With the door panel removed from the car, go ahead and protect the surrounding area with several layers of low-tack painter's tape. From the inside of the door, push down on the rod to remove it from the arm on the handle. Lift up on the handle and position an appropriate size drift over the mandrel in one of the rivets. Drive the mandrel out with a hammer and do the same for the other rivet. Carefully drill out both rivets with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Remove the handle. Remove the tape and then blow away the debris with some compressed air. Wipe the area clean with a waterless wash product and microfiber towel. Vacuum up the debris that fell to the bottom of the door frame. Repeat these steps for the other side. To reinstall a new outer door handle, reverse the removal steps and install 2 new rivets. Or watch our dedicated video on outer door handle installation. After that, you're good to go. All right, people, that's all we have for you today. Like all of our videos, I hope you did find value in this one. If you did, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on notifications. And until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.